Okay, buo na naman kami. Hi! Hi, Ate Liz!
Sa bahay na, dami-dami.
Luray Caverns. Ang ganda ng ulit. Hi, Elias! 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 Lingon! Hi, Elise! Hi, Zion! Ooh, scary! Oo, hindi ba yun yung nakaka-amaze na part?
Kailangan mag-picture tatay. Para may add tayo sa frame natin.
Ayan, nagpaplano na agad si Elijah ng mga picture.
Kasi bawat straight di ba nag-ano?
Halloween na. Kailangan kasi 30 seconds to eh. May ano pala, amag. Kanina kondensada, ngayon amag pala. Ganda. Anak, madulas ha.
The hand? Please use the hand.
Ayoko nga.
Ang lamig.
Z! Ito naman.
Nagtutwerk siya, ma'am.
Yung mga natutunan mo sa Pilipinas.
Oh, tulis kasi yan. Tulis nga ma-fallen isang. Kasi huwag mo na kami tunan. Hi, ma'am.
Hi!
Camera.
Hi! Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Para kang isang stalactite na naghahanap ng kanyang kapartner na stalagmite.
Ay,
Anong bread ulo? Oh my dear! I see a piece of coin! Malayo!
Saan yung ATM? Ayun eh, ATM yun. May naghulog ng ATM.
kaya inutang muna.
I'll be home, West Virginia, up to my love. Good morning! It's breakfast time! Here still at Masanuten. Samahan niyo kami for the breakfast. Bye! Bye, nanak! Aba?
Bye!
This is day 2 today. Actually, parang day 3 na. So, we're going to Hershey Chocolate Park.
We're gonna eat chocolate. I already brushed my teeth.
Yeah, so samahan nyo kami. Let's go and explore Hershey Chocolate Park.
Yeah.
Alam ko hindi ko kayo nasasama minsan, pero this time let's go and check it out. Arat na!
Hello.
Dito nga ginagawa yung mga chocolate ng Hershey's. And try natin kumuha ng maraming freebies as we can.
Yes.
And let's enjoy the chocolates! Bye!
Bye.
See ya!
Bye.
We'll take you with us.
Maybe a Hershey.
Oh, what?
Hi guys! Welcome to another day, another vlog. Yesterday, epic fail. Ayun nga. Sa halip na sa Hershey World kami pumunta, Hershey Factory kami napunta. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi nalungkot na kaming tatlo. But then, today is another day and we're going to Washington, D.C.
Hello. I got my iPad too with drawing.
We're going to Washington, D.C. with friends and dadalhin namin kayo doon. Sana hindi kami maligaw. Bye!
Mommy, bring your phone. Mommy.
Hi! Hi guys! Hello! Remoto Farm!
Ayun naman dito yung bag, Nay.
Okay, we're back together. We're heading to the US Capitol building. Here at the US Capitol building.
Diba, magkakasundo kayo.
Alangan. Alangan siya. Ako na sinusubo, kuya. Masarap siya pag sinusubo.
Ayan, naka-live naman siya.
Look at the video. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Yes.
Ay, grabe naman.
Yes, for the win.
Picture muna tayo.
Pag nakita ni Ron.
Ito dapat yung i-take ko nung bago umalis dun sa
Parang point pa something lang yan. Mga hanip na.
Maraming
Tapos hindi na mga 1 hour.
So class 1
Kaya nung nakita ko nalaman ko yan sa Thermal America,
Hi guys! Today is another day. Welcome to another day of vlog. And today we are going to
Ocean.
the ocean. Ocean City, here we come. Ocean City, Maryland, hindi sa New Jersey. So, our girls, si Elijah, the Remoto family, Leanne, Jubel, and Celine will be with us. And we'll spend the night there and then coming back home tomorrow. So join us. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda ang Atlantic Ocean. See you guys there. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Namimiwas yung mag-anak.
Sa baba?
Wow.
Pulong mahal. We're back again. Hi, mahal. We're back in Ocean City. Ang sarap ng simoy ng dagat talaga. Oh my God, iba talaga pag dagat.
With this sidewalk.
Go! Okay, open.
Now open.
Okay, upon entering, what you can see?
Look in the bathroom.
Bathroom,
So
show them.
clean.
So clean.
And then look at the bedroom. Now, look at the
Wow.
painting.
Oh, there's
Now let's
painting.
go. Look at the side.
Wow, there's a place for hanging clothes. And the coffee maker. And there's a microwave.
Yeah.
There's safety deposit box.
Freezers.
There's refrigerator
And then
and a
there's
freezer. An ice bucket.
And in the mirror, we can see that. And
Wow.
here's our bed, Daddy's found
So
it.
this is a twin room.
Daddy's found
Huh?
it. Hi, Daddy, you found it. Hi,
And this is our
Daddy.
television. We have a little sitting area here and a huge sofa. And this is the view. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Lord!
Okay, show them. Wow. And that's the view of the ocean. That's the ocean. Hi, Marshi. Hi. Ayan na, may parehas lang ng room namin, may ganyan. Mini kitchen area. There's CR, pretty. Ay! May bata! Hi! Ganda, laki ng bed. And then we've got food in here. Papaluin kita eh. Ayan, narinig na sa vlog.
Work all day and then I wake up. Work
Ganda.
all day.
Ay, mas maganda. Ano, Marcy? Aba? And then this is their view. Ang ganda.
I want to go in the view. Yes.
There's the ocean. Hi, guys.
Here's the ocean. Hey, did you know in Florida there's like a really white sand?
Whoa.
You wanna go here?
Parang malakas dito, Lian. Oh my God. Ah, Marcy, parang kailangan natin lumipat. Parang sa may boardwalk tayo dapat.
Yan lang tayo sa may babaw-babaw.
I found it. We're gonna go there.
Go. Hold on, hold on. Hi, Z. Ooh. may crab. Shucks, ang lalim. Dito lang tayo maligo. Woohoo! It's so pretty. Come on, it's so pretty here.
The big no. Oh, this is the big one.
Dito lang tayo magabang, di ba? Wow! Mahina ka pala, come on! Bigger! Mag-e-enjoy ako dito. Bigger! Ayan ang mga abangers ng alon. Abangers! Woo! Sige. Ito. Come on! Woot! Halika, Marcy! Come on! Mahina! Ayun na! Mga abanger sa alon. Ate, beach, fun here. Dumating kasi tayo, ayaw na niya. Ayan na! Hindi yan. Ayan na! Ang mahinang nila lang. Ayan na! Wow! Ang laki! Ayun, malaki! Ayun na, Marcy! Ay! Oh, thank you. Sige lang.
Welcome to Ocean City!
Ano ba? Parayin na pa.
Di ba right to? Di ba right? 1, 2, welcome!
Lian! Lian!
Mommy, my eye! Let's go!
Nakakatawa si Zion. Gapang si Zion. Gapang ikaw? Yeah. Huwag magbato ng sando. Ay, ang saya pala nito.
Lubog mo na yan.
Sige, sige, Warshi. Nakakatawa mag-video. Ang daming mga videos na. Ang saya. Takbo si Jun. Wow, nothing. Oh, masaya lang. Masaya. Grabe siya humila ng sand, ah. Ayan na! Woo! Malakas! Ay, humihina na. Z! Baba! Ayun, ang laki, oh. Ayan, ang laki! Hi guys!
Welcome to Sea Rockets Dolphin Watching.
The one, ate,
Mahal.
you pull this off.
ocean, small fish, squid, birds, whatever they want. There's some babies, guys. The mating season's over, so the little ones are out.
The sea.
Nice.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh! Whoa! Cool.
Ayun, ang dolphin.
Yeah.
Ayun ba?
Whoa! I see it! I'll give her some snacks.
Wag yan. Hindi ka kayo. Ang kinakain niya fish.
Oh!
Sana.
Wala na eh.
Ayun!
Ayun.
Wala na.
Andyan pa yan.
Nasa ilalim lang yun anak, babalik yun. Yun! Ayun! Ayun, doon.
Wala.
Doon, ayun! Doon, yun! Just look, ayun! There!
Oh!
They're a little bit far. Ayun! Oh.
Oh, there. Oh, I see it. Ah!
Yes, I got it. One more time, baby.
One more time, come out.
Oh!
Gee!
One more time, yeah!
Jesus!
Ang cute ni si Jason. Ang layo nun, ito malapit kay Jay dito.